Not every drama captures the heart with its storyline. But these Turkish series go beyond romance and cliches. Each one tells a bold, unforgettable story that leaves a lasting impression. Let's dive into the top 10 best Turkish dramas of 2025. Each one is a journey worth taking. At number 10, we have Uzak Sahir, and its English name is Distant City. The story of this drama revolves around Alia Albora, a grieving widow who travels to Mardin with her young son to fulfill her late husband's last wish. But things take a dark turn when she is trapped by Sihan Albora, the powerful head of the Albora family, who refuses to let her leave with her child. As secrets from the past begin to unfold, Alia finds herself caught in a web of danger and despair. Will she ever escape this distant city, or be lost in it forever? At number 9, we have Zembili, known in English as The Mystic. This drama is based on the sweet and bitter events in the lives of 4 close friends. Raised in the mysterious town of Zembili, their friendship is tested by time, choices, and painful secrets. The story explores loyalty, betrayal, and how the past continues to shape the future. To uncover the mystery of Zembili, step into the world where silence hides the loudest truths. At number 8, it's Annem Ankara, and in English, My Mother Ankara. The story of this drama revolves around Cancel, a former officer and a mother of 3. Trapped in a marriage with Hassan, a man scarred by a cold, loveless childhood, Cancel's life turns upside down when she discovers his infidelity. As she struggles to rebuild her world, the drama dives into deep themes of motherhood, strength, and starting over. Will Cancel rise from heartbreak, or be buried by it? At number 7, we have Kenboku, also called Life Debt. This drama tells the story of Mehmet, a respected lawyer trying to reconnect with his daughter Dua after his mother's death. But the path to healing is filled with old wounds and devastating secrets. Especially when Jalal's hidden affair shakes the entire family's foundation. Will this life debt unite them, or break them beyond repair? At number 6, it's Pyasa, and its English name is Market. The story of this drama explores the cutthroat world of fame, power, and sacrifice. Munawwar, a woman of faith, is forced into a marriage with Turkey's top star, Kanan Akın, who battles addiction while being controlled by his overbearing mother, Keriman. Caught between love, loyalty, and survival, Munawwar must navigate a world she never asked for. To find out whether she survives or surrenders, watch this gripping tale unfold. At number 5, we have Bir Zamanlar Istanbul, or Once Upon a Time in Istanbul. This intense drama tells the story of Ali and Seher, whose fight for justice begins in their school days and leads into the dangerous heart of Istanbul's criminal underworld. As their paths cross during a fierce university debate, they discover that fighting the system means risking everything. The story asks, is crime a result of society, or a personal choice? To discover what makes a hero, or a villain, don't miss this dramatic saga. At number 4, it's Kardlanlar, and its English name is Snowdrops. The story of this drama revolves around Hizran and Arif, a couple bound by love for 50 years. But their peaceful life is shattered when their grown children return, bringing selfishness, secrets, and sorrow. A long-awaited reunion turns tragic, leading to a devastating accident. To see if a mother's love can heal a shattered family, follow this emotional journey. At number 3, we have Sahipsizla, and its English title is The Abandoned Ones. This heart-wrenching drama follows 6 orphaned siblings fleeing to Istanbul. After their parents' past comes back to haunt them, the children are left to face a ruthless city on their own. From survival to betrayal, every moment is a test of their bond. Want to know if they can hold on to each other or lose everything? This story will move your soul. At number 2, it's Baska Bir Gun, also known as Another Day. This drama is based on the hit British series Keeping Faith, but with a Turkish twist. Hira, a successful lawyer turned housewife, is thrown into chaos when her husband Sardar vanishes without a trace. As she digs deeper, what she uncovers will shake the ground beneath her feet. To find out what really happened to Sardar, watch the secrets unravel one by one. And at number 1, we have Sakir Pasa LSE, translated as Portrait of a Scandalous Family. This historical drama is based on the true story of the Sakir Pasa family, an Ottoman household torn apart by ambition and betrayal. It all begins in 1911, when an Oxford-educated son returns with an Italian wife, igniting tension inside their grand family villa. What follows is a chain of events that births some of Turkey's greatest artists. To witness how chaos created legends, this one is unmissable. So, which of these unforgettable stories are you planning to watch next? Tell us in the comments. And if this list made your watch list longer, hit that like button, share it with fellow drama lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more Turkish drama magic right here.